Hello beautiful planner girls, welcome back to my channel. Emily from The Little Plans. Long time no see, but I was working on this, which I wanted to show you. I just like a little bit of like an update. I have so many videos that I kind of wanted to film for you all, especially a lot of plan with me's, which will be coming up soon, and everything will be back to normal, I swear. But before that, I kind of want to give like a little update of what's happening, what's going on, so we can just move forward from there. But first of all, happy Valentine's Day. It is Valentine's Day. I'm filming and hopefully uploading the same day, which is Valentine. So happy Valentine's. Hope everyone's having a great time. I'm like the most single to ever single. I'm so excited to just like put on some, I don't know, like maybe like do some face mask, like a bathtub situation, just like something cute. Anyways, I hope you're all having a great Valentine's Day, regardless of your situation. But I did open a website finally. I'm super excited about this. The Etsy shop will continue to be open just because I know it for some people it might be more convenient and whatnot. So if you want to still shop there, that's great. But I do have a website which I think is going to be a lot of fun. It's gonna be the shop, and also I'm gonna be, you know, little by little doing a little bit of a blog posting, just doing tips and tricks on digital planning, a ton of more freebies. And just like the organization and the vibes of it, I think it's gonna be a little bit cuter. So this is the homepage and you can just like browse, but I kind of wanted to show you also a little bit of, you know, the fun stuff. Number one, we do have better prices in this one because I don't have to pay for all of the Etsy fees that were like consuming me completely. So it'll be a little bit more support with better prices in here, which I love. So I can organize things a little bit better. So this is the Valentine's collection, and I just kind of wanted to show you because I haven't shown you guys here all the foil bundles for these, which are super cute. Also, all the foil bundles have been reformatted a little bit, so every single one in the shop, in the website, will have at least 6 frames. This one, the florals, only had 3, so now we have 6 frames. We have an extra washi, so every single thing at least has 3 washi tapes, and the day dots are super duper cute. So also there's like special colors that you cannot find on the Etsy. So for example here, this really beautiful red, this is the gold one. Let me show you the cherry red that we created because it's everything. This is such a beautiful romantic color. I love it. I feel like you could also do the florals for like Mother's Day, but the day dots that I was going to show you are really cute. This is not the best quality so that you can just like screenshot and use them, you know, but it just like kind of shows you what it comes with, and it's super cute. And I'll definitely like be updating a little bit more and just like putting things, making them cuter, having videos explaining like how to use things, etc. Just like make it more of like a complete experience for you all, just like from purchasing to like getting the blog post to like getting more recommendations on like how I would pair the foil, what like other shops you can shop from to get like the way click it and pair it and be super cute. Of course, you get like the freebie section. You can shop by like if you want to do functional planning, if you want to do memory planning, or if you want to do reading journal, you can of course shop all like every single like page will have like a cute little thing. And I'm just super excited because I feel like it's a great way to like connect with you all. You can subscribe to the newsletter and then get like special discount codes and special things, know when like new foil bundles are coming out, things like that. So yeah, you're just gonna get so much more for your money. And I love this idea of just being able to completely customize everything. It's gonna take me a little bit because I do want to like do some coding as well, because like you can get like free or even pay for some like cool features, but definitely kind of like make it our own, because there's like a lot for like info for like drop shipping and stuff like that. But this is like digital download, so it's a little bit different. So yeah, you know, just like figuring all out. So you definitely get better prices. The organization is going to be so much cuter, so much better. There's all of the freebies. All the foil bundles are reformatted. All of them have the data, like I said, have all of the frames, and also come with like the long bougie strips for like a new planner, so that if you want to put the whole thing, you can. And all of the icons are going to be these cute ones as well. And also the cool thing is that when you download these, you can download the 2 formats. You can either go ahead and just download the folders and, you know, save them up in your iPad or in your tablet, or you can also go ahead and open the GoodNotes file. It also comes just like there prepared for you, pre-cropped, so that you can just like put that in your GoodNotes and don't have to like go through the files if you don't want to. which is really cool. I couldn't really upload just like the GoodNotes files on Etsy because they are a little bit bigger and it won't allow it. So yeah, and there's, like I said, a lot of stuff to come, blogs, a lot of beginner guides, on how to start your digital planning journey, a lot of tips and tricks, and definitely gonna put up like more videos and stuff like that in here. So that's what I kind of wanted to show you, a little bit of like an update on the shop. Hopefully you will be able to go ahead and have a look and just like flip through and see all of the stuff that we have. You can like check all of the foils, and I just absolutely love it. I think it's just gonna be super duper cute. So that's gonna be it. Oh, the lucky foils for St. Patrick's Day are also up as well. Well, just like you can go and have a look, and I'm pretty sure you'll find something cute. And I have so many ideas, but if you also have like requests for foil bundles, definitely leave them down below, because I love doing this for you all and kind of like seeing what you guys do with the foils, because I think it's super cute, especially like Valentine's Day foils. Oh my god, so adorable. And then I thought we'll plan a little bit, because I'm like behind. Again, this happens to me all the time. Like I get so much into a project and then like all the rest of it falls apart, but we're gonna get back into it. I'm super excited. I definitely think that we could use some of those like little, you know what, I'm just gonna use the GoodNotes files. I think it'll be really cute. Look how cute these are. So cute. Anyways, you could use those day dots even here. I think I'll do that. I think that'll be really cute. But I wanted to plan my kits for the months. I actually used this kit last year and I didn't remember it. Like I was looking through my kits and I was like, this is so cute, such a vibe, I'm gonna use it. And then I was like, wait, I already used that. And I do have foil bundles that I wanted to use. I feel like because there's a lot of like chocolates and whatnot, I would love to use of course the hard candy, but I don't know what color to use. What do you guys think? We can obviously use the red one, but I feel like it's like really cute, but it doesn't pop as much as I would like it to. I feel like the pink will make it girly. I mean, like it's super girly already, but I feel like it'll be even cuter. Or we can just go ahead and do gold, because I feel like that's gonna pop a little bit more. Let's do, for example, this one, because I feel like that's gonna look so cute. But like also, if you wanted to, you can go with florals. That's cute. I used the regular heart foil bundle last year with these in gold. So like I feel like if I do gold, even though it pops really cute, it'll be like repeating it, kind of, even though it's not like the same foil bundle. It's like pretty similar. I really wanted to use this one because it's cute. So maybe I will just use these. We could even do a mix moment with the pink and the red, because I feel like this kit is like, super crazy. Like it will go well. It'll be cute. I feel like we could do red here. It'll pop with the nails. See? Cute. So yeah, that's gonna be the first one. This is by the PinkPlannerShop, Self Love. And we're gonna decide foil bundle. It's gonna be the hard candy one, but I don't know what color. So that's what that's gonna be like. This is my next kit. I'm so excited. This is like the Valentine's week. This is such a cute, like super sexy vibes, which I love. I love the marble as well. So cute. This is by Trala Stickers, and it is super, super cute and sexy, and I thought we'll use these XOXO1. I feel like this red and black mixed metal, is everything that I need and more. So I definitely want to use that here. I feel like such a cute vibe. I saw someone using these. I will pop a picture here because a really lovely client sent me a bunch of spreads and I was just like so in love, and they used these two together like this. I don't think it was this shop, but it was this kind of like artwork with the XOXO foil bundle, and I was like, that's perfect, that's everything. So I kind of want to have this. That's so cute. I really want to have that kind of vibe. This is perfect. Oh my god, I love it. This is such a cute. I never done something like so, So I'm excited about it. I think the bottom washi is gonna look super cute as well. So that's gonna be my Valentine's week kit. So this week, so freaking cute and adorable. And then this one is such a cute little one. It's got a lot of strawberry. This is also by Twilight Sticker, and she has really amazing prices, but her kits are a little bit smaller than what I'm used to. But I don't have foil for these yet, but it will be coming up soon in the shop, and it's going to be a strawberry one. And there's like a lot of really cute strawberry kits coming out, and I really want strawberry foil, so I think that's going to be so cute. And I feel like I'm going to do like several ones. I feel like definitely silver gold, and they're like a special fun color, kind of more for these, but it's going to be like reddish, I think. Like something really bright red will be cute, but also like an ombre from like red to green to like signify the strawberry. I don't know. I'm still working on it, but it'll be cute foil that I'm working on that I think will look really, really cute with these. And then I kind of really, I'm missing a kit, and I feel like I really want to do the Cupid foil. This one right here, definitely, I don't know if I want to do, this is such a cute foil. This is the rose gold, and I love it. And then this one is in the iridescent, which the iridescent is like becoming one of my favorites, if I'm being quite honest with you. But I don't have a kit. I have a couple of ideas. Number one for that will be this cute one. This is by the Planner Shack, and it's like, I think I'm gonna have to go ahead and buy this one. And what I do is I just screenshot like the first page in the Etsy, and then I put it here, just kind of like setting up the vibes to see if I want to pair these and if I want to like spend the money on the kit. So let's just like test it if I want to use these with these, or I feel like the rose gold might be, but also like because it has some blues, you know, I don't know which one I want to use. This is so cute, but it's gonna blend a little bit into it, which is cute. But see, this is not really good quality, so I don't know. I feel like I don't know. But of course, you know, I'm gonna purchase the kit if I want the good quality, obviously. But this is just like a really cool thing just to like test with your foil. You can also download the freebies in the website, and you can grab like all of the frames with all of the foil colors so that you can like go ahead and test them before you buy. And that way, you know, like you can do your like little mixes and have like your kits ready. Oh yes. Oh yes, this is it. That's it. I found it. This is so cute. Oh my god, I love these. I feel like we can do these in this girl. Well, I'm not doing the planning right now, but you know what I mean. So cute. Oh my god, yes. So this is gonna go perfectly well with this one. I feel like it blends a little bit, but it's like it pops a little bit and it blends a little bit, which doesn't make sense, I know, but it's so cute and I love it. And I feel like washi is going to also be really cute. So I think that's it. Because I really wanted to use the Cupid one, and there's like a couple. Let me show you. I did like a screenshot, like 1,000,001 different kits here. This is what I like to do, just like screenshot everything that I like, that is gonna be like Valentine's, and then I start like seeing which ones I like the most, and then putting some frames and seeing like, this is such a cute vibe. I feel like these will, the hard candy, or even the because it's like kind of sweet, even with like the Cupid, this with the Cupid will be a whole vibe. So I was between this one and this one, but I think this kind of like art wins. So yeah, we have that was faster than I thought, and probably not as fast as you all wished. But that's my February, little update on what's going on in my February lineup. I'm super excited about all of these because these are so freaking cute. The Planner Shack Fairy Tale Romance with the Cupid foil bundle in rose gold, super adorable. And then this is so cute. This is something that I'm going to be reusing, but I'm going to do a little bit of like different foil and whatnot to make it feel brand new. This is by the Planner Shop called Self Love, and I just love the bathtub scene. It's everything with the hard candy foil, and I might mix the red and the pink because I think it'll go perfectly with this kit. Then we have this one by Tralala Stickers, super cute, super affordable kits. I feel like I'm gonna miss some boxes, but like they were a really good price, and I love the vibes, and I think it's gonna be super cute with the XO foil bundle in the mixed metal with red and black, and it's gonna be like super like the vibes that we need for Valentine's, you know? So super cute. And then the next one is gonna be this one. And this is also for trial stickers, and I don't know the name of these ones, but she doesn't have that much stuff, so I'm pretty sure if you browse through it, you can find it. And it is super, I'll link the stuff down below. That's easier for you all. But this is so cute. Such cute vibes, and kind of getting more into like the spring summery stuff that we want. And I will be having some strawberry fall for you all because cute. I like strawberries. So we're gonna have that. And I love like the pancakes and stuff. I don't know. Just the vibes. It's just the vibes that I kind of want for. They all feel like really fresh, really cutesy, and I love that for my February spread. So that is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you beautiful planner girls on my next plan with me. Bye bye. Hoping you'll love me once again. I know I'm selfish,